Yeah, welcome guys to Enzo Tech Training. Today we'll be looking at how to create animations in our HTML, CSS, JavaScript websites. So let's get started in creating animations for our website. So in this tutorial, I'll be using AOS Animate to create animations for our website. So first and foremost, let's look at how to use animations. So I will go to Google and place the AOS, just type AOS Animation, click it. The first link, which is AOS Animate on Scroll Library, click on it. So it will take you to their documentation. This is the AOS Animate on Scroll Library. So if you want to use this library to add animation to your website, you just have to scroll down. You can see a lot of animations going on their documentation. So when you come to this place, it will take and show you the simple ways which you can add these CDN sources to your code. So the first thing you need to do is to add this link, this CSS link to your HTML, to your code. Copy this, Ctrl C. So I go to my and add it inside the head tag. Then the next one is to copy this JavaScript source scripts, the script source, copy it and go to your VS Code. Then I'll paste it at the bottom here, which I've just done. Then the last one is to copy this initialize AOS, the script. Copy it and I'll paste it here. These are the basic things that you need to do for you to add animation to your website. So let's just put some dummy text. Let me just put a dummy text. Just put let me put H1. Welcome to Enzo Tech. Welcome to Enzo Tech. So I'll add this. I'll add an image so that I can animate the image. Okay, so I'll just give this image a width and a height. A width of 300 pixels and a height of 250 pixels. Okay, so I want to add animations to this image. So let me show you the image on the browser. This is the image that I want to add animation to. So to add animation to an image, you go back to your AOS Animate. So you scroll. So which of the animation do you want us to add? So let me pick one animation. Let me pick this flip down animation. So you copy the attribute data AOS. This is the attribute. You copy it. I want my image to flip down, so I'll paste it somewhere here. So I've just pasted that data AOS flip down. So let's see how this works on the browser. So I will come here, refresh the browser. So you can see that our image animated. You can see that. Yeah, you can see it's animating, but it's very fast. You may not easily observe it. So let us try to make it very slow by applying the duration to it. So how do you apply duration to this? You go down, there is what's called data AOS duration attribute, which is always in milliseconds. So I'll just copy this data AOS duration, which is this attribute, which is 1500 milliseconds. You can change the attribute, the value of the seconds. So this is I want the flip down to be what within 1500 milliseconds. So let's see how this works. So I refresh the browser, so you can see that. So you can see our image. So let me increase the milliseconds. So I'll come here and change it. So let me say 3500 milliseconds. It's going to be very slow. So when I do this, oh, that's going fast. Did I put that? Did I save that? I think I didn't. So let me make it 2005 and save. So I've saved it. So this should be very normal now. So you can see that beautiful. You can see it's quite slow now. So let me take it back to 3500 milliseconds and save it. I want it to be very slow. more slower than the previous one. Yeah, so 35 is make it slow. So let me stick to my 2500 milliseconds. So I think this is better. This is better. Beautiful. So guys, I've showed you how to animate. So you can also animate the text. So let us also animate the text. So let me go to my AOS Animate and look for animate the text with, let me use this one, fade. Let me use fade right or fade left. Let me use fade down right. Okay, let me take this one. For the text, I want to animate the text. So I'll come here and I place it inside this H1, which is data AOS fade down right. So let me save this and let me give it a duration. So I'll just come here and say data duration, AOS duration. I want it to be 2500 milliseconds too. So let me save this and go to the browser, refresh this, so you can see that. Beautiful. So guys, I hope you enjoy this moment of how to create animation for your websites. So guys, if you want more of this, please endeavor to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel so that we can get you more of this tutorial. So try, like, share, and make sure you comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much.